This video guys, feeling like tourist guys. So punta kami sa isang place na hindi namin alam. Nandito na kami sa Marsa's Loop. So with Sharon J vlog, she's coming back in Malta. So ikot-ikot kami dito. So kung saan kami pa rin, bahala na si Batman. Kasi we are in the Marsa's Loop. Kaya ikot-ikot lang kami guys. Kung saan kami pa rin. Nasaan na si Sherry? Ayan, si Sherry. So, with that together with the willing to rest. So, ayan. Ito daw yung ito na nga yung market. Ito na nga pala talaga dito tayo daw. Ito na nga yung market. Oh, yan daw. Yan daw pala eh. Oh, yan daw sayo. Ayan, ito yung Marsa's Loop guys. Ayan, maraming pambot, mga liba-liba o whatever. So may market sila kasi morning is market. So ayan guys, so ayan, Marsa's Loop is solok-solok. Is the solok-solok guys. Ayan, mga market. Ayan, ayan guys. So nandito na kami last year. So ikot-ikot tayo dito guys. Paikot kayo mamaya. So ikutin ko kayo guys sa market ng Marsa's Loop. So we are here in the market guys. So ayan. Ayan yung mga space for winter guys. So we have 10 euro bags or whatever. So we are here. So cute guys. 5 euro lang siya. €5 yung bag, 7 euro. May mga ano dito. Makakita tayo ng 1 euro. Yun know, my life, only 1 euro. Oh, hanap daw siya ng sunglasses.
Ano kayang sombrero nila?
Marami ka. Sombrero ka pa rin na sombrero. Ayan yung market nila guys. So, dyan mamaya. Sakay tayo dyan. Oh. Charlie's Boat. 10 euro price. Ayan. Ayan guys. Ayan, pwede tayo maligo sa dagat guys. Ayan, so cute siya guys. Ayan. 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 Ito lang kami ni Sherry guys. Umikot-ikot lang kami dito. Ayan. Ayan yung Marsa's Loop. Ayan guys. Ayan. Na Marsa's Loop. Ayan guys. So, pasal kami dito sa market guys. Yan mga foods nila dito guys. Ayan. So cute siya guys. Anong traditional Maltese and herbs. Ayan siya. Traditional fresh strawberry cream panang. Wow. It's like a sweet siya guys. Ang cute siya guys. Bersit. Mga toys for the kids guys. Ayan. Mga bags na lang. They are finished already guys. Just only morning. Sarap yung tinitest ko guys. It's so yummy. Yung market ng Marsa's Loop. We are mixing here guys. Fruits or something. Here. Cups or something. Mga strawberry, mga collection guys. Mga memories. Ayan. Pag ating morning dito guys, yung mga isda. Yung mga tinda ng isda. 15 euro only. Magtimo na lang ako. Each 1 euro is pesos.
A little bit of
Ayan, mga fish deeds, mga donuts, something, mga sweet nila guys. Ayan. So market. Ito yung pinaka-centers dito guys. It's like, halo-halo din siya guys. Have market, fruits, and mixing. Ayan guys. Pwede ka dito mag-ride. Ride ka dyan. Yan. Ayan. St. Peter Falls. Buy tickets in here. Ayan. Ride tayo dyan guys. Ayan, lighthouse. So yan yung market guys.
15 minutes.
Yes, on the second boat. So you want to go?
Yes, 15 minutes.
Yes, yes. Okay, perfect. Thank you.
Ay naku guys, ito yung mga market nila guys. Market. Mga tinda guys. So cute siya. Malta. Malta.
Zo'n beetje een mix tussen. Sorry.
€12. Mahal naman guys. Wala ka makitang piso-piso. Naghanap ako guys ng piso-piso. Wala akong makitang piso-piso. Puro lang na mga mahal din. Kahit, I don't know. Excuse me, how much this one? That one. No, it's okay na. Shab naman na.
Did you tell
Yan.
Jay! Oh, Jay, a minute.
Hirap maghanap ng mga mura guys. Wala 10 euro, 8 euro. Wala talagang 5 euro guys. Mahal din siya. The Sherenchal vlog. 10 euro guys.
Yeah, daar rest is on.
Ang cute siya guys. Sunod siya. Kome mga ano. Russian. Unique. Yes, unique siya guys. Also, kasi sure kami busog. Tipsy na naman kami kami guys.
Ay na naman. KFC na naman.
KFC goodness. Let us bring it to you. Straight to your door. Visit KFC.com.mz and download your favorites. Plus, activate to follow us on our socials for the latest updates and new deals. KFC. Be clean.
Yeah.